Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to the Coin Galaxy. In this video today, I'm going to talk about Chainlink. Chainlink is one of my top altcoins that I'm holding for the long term. Chainlink has been super bullish recently, and it's been bullish throughout this entire bull market. It's been pumping like crazy recently, all the way up to $25. Will it hold $25? How far up can it go? Or is it just going to have a minor drawback? I'm going to do some technical analysis and show you the key levels of Chainlink that you need to watch for. Namely, they're going to be about $15, $18, maybe even $20. However, near term, it could go up to $30.
Like the video, subscribe to this channel, and hit that bell notifications button so that you don't miss any update. I've also got a Telegram group that you can join in the description down below. I'm posting free trading signals for different altcoins that I think have so much more potential, and you can even see a little bit of my portfolio in there. Just go ahead and check it out.
There are multiple scenarios for Chainlink, but I think I have a pretty good idea of what's going to happen. So without further ado, let's get into the video and I can show you exactly what I mean. All right, let's look at the top 10 coin market cap. Where's Chainlink? Chainlink is coming in at rank number 7. That is the highest it's ever been. The last 24 hours, it just pumped 14%. Last 7 days is up 18.93%. Currently testing $25. That's a key level for Chainlink. It's at $10 billion of a market cap. And look at Cardano. That is also at $10.8 billion. Chainlink could soon surpass Cardano, and maybe down the road it could surpass XRP, but recently it just passed Litecoin, and not too long ago Chainlink was not even in the top 10 market cap. So this is looking really bullish for Chainlink. There's a lot of hype around it, and some are speculating that one day it could actually be here in the top 5 market cap, but we don't really know. So let's just take a look at the current price action of Chainlink and see what's going to happen. So here I've got Chainlink on the US dollar. This is the daily chart for the past year-ish, and I want to show you this uptrend that Chainlink has been having. It found good support twice. The first time in March, after the coronavirus crash, it found support at $1.70, well below the 20, 50, and 200-week moving averages. But recently, continuing the uptrend, it found new support on the 200-week moving average, which is a very, very good number for it to bounce off. That was in December, where it found support at $10, and it's going to continue this uptrend for quite some time, and it's going to continue to follow the 200-week moving average as support. The more recent uptrend that Chainlink has been having is looking pretty bullish. Found support multiple times at $6.50, $8, $8.50, and then recently at $11. And these pumps, they don't look very sustainable, but I don't think there's going to be too much of a drawback. It's probably not going to draw back to the 200-week moving average. Likely what's going to happen is that the 20 and 50-week moving averages will come up, and then the drawback will just kind of come and consolidate in a range at about this all-time high. I would say about $17 is probably going to be a new support level to watch. So $17, $18 is going to be a really, really key support level for Chainlink. And I want to show you guys the $13 to $14 range for Chainlink. Initially, Chainlink found resistance at $14 initially in August, and then supported at $13, broke through up to its new all-time high of $20, came back down again to about $13, and then recently it's been retesting $13, $14 multiple times. It's around the 20-week moving average, but now getting a little bit more bullish on Chainlink for this reason is right here. This $13, $14 psychological barrier is actually looking like new support for Chainlink. It could possibly be support for Chainlink now. $14, and I don't think we're going to see Chainlink under $14 ever again for quite a while, maybe not until the next bear market. Because check this out, it has tested $18 about 3 times in the span of 4 to 5 months. This is the first time hit its all-time high of $19, again retested $18, and now this is possibly support for Chainlink. This could just be support for Chainlink. We don't know, but in a really bullish scenario, it could hold that level. So just in general, there's going to be 4 really, really important levels I'm going to be keeping an eye on for Chainlink over the next few months. In the most bearish scenario, I think the lowest level it could possibly go to is $11. Very unlikely if you ask me. That's going to dip below the 200-week moving average, and that would take an all-out crash from Bitcoin to happen. Likely it's going to come back down to this level at about $15, but maybe not. I mean, if you're looking to scoop up some Chainlink, this is a good level right here. $18. If it dips down to $15, that's also really good. I don't really think it's going to come down to $13. That's going to be really, really cheap. We're in a really hyper bull market right now, so I think $15 to $18 is likely what we're going to see in the near term. I really have this gut feeling that Chainlink is topping out at $25. These pumps are really not sustainable at all. Let's just look back at what happened to Chainlink's recent pumps in August. Let's just say that that is a repeat scenario for Chainlink. Let me bring over, copy and paste through this graph right over here. Likely Chainlink is going to have a minor drawback and consolidate probably in the $15 to $22 range, while the 50-week moving average catches up and the 20-week moving average holds support for it. Really, this is a bad time to FOMO into Chainlink. Do not FOMO Chainlink. Do not buy so much of it. Actually, if you have some bags of Chainlink, this could be a good point to sell off a little bit of that Chainlink and then just re-enter at 18 to 20 bucks. All right, so here I've got Chainlink against Bitcoin on the daily chart. Chainlink has been gaining on Bitcoin for at least a year or two in a really steady, solid uptrend. Recently, Bitcoin gained some dominance in the market due to the news breaking its all-time high. And due to that, Chainlink took a pretty big dip below all three of its moving averages, but quickly rebounded back up to its uptrend. And I think it's going to catch support here, and then it's going to go back up again and gain on Bitcoin while Bitcoin cools off. All right, so I've got a new chart put up here. This is the 4-hour chart of Chainlink for more near-term prospects. I just want to show you the uptrend support line Chainlink has been having, starting out with the $10 in December, then again $13 just a few weeks ago. It's really looking overpriced right now, if you ask me, just due to the bullish news from Grayscale. This resistance level keeps growing. Near term, the highest it can go, probably $30. I really don't see it breaking through there anytime soon. I also don't think it's going to do an all-out crash to $18 just yet. Likely it's just going to consolidate around this range from $20 to about $28.
All right, that's it for the video today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.